How do you talk to your dad friends about pathological demand avoidance?
If it's a dad I've never talked to about it before, I don't actually say pathological demand avoidance or PDA. I just say, well, my son has a nervous system disability, and his nervous system is like wound a little tighter than most people's. And so he has like a really strong fight-flight reaction and like severe panic attacks and meltdowns, really sort of whenever things don't go his way.
Okay, so what do you say when other parents inevitably say, yeah, my kid has terrible tantrums too?
So it depends. If it's someone who I don't really care whether they understand my son and my family, I don't know them that well, I might just say yeah, aren't those the worst? Temper tantrums, they're terrible. But if it's someone who I actually want to understand what's going on with my son and my family, I'll dig a little deeper and I'll usually lean on the basic needs thing, and I'll explain yeah, the thing for my son with his actual nervous system disability is that if that builds up over time and he continues to have those panic attacks, it's such a stress on his system that he'll lose the ability to eat. And that's actually what happened years ago, and it was really scary.